All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines again. We have been up doing a little walk around up in Morong in the actual town, and done a little bit of vlogging, and we are just going to head back to the resort. So I figured I'll turn on the camera and take you on the ride back to the resort. If you ever get to Morong and need to know how to get to Island Waters, just check this video out and we'll give you a ride down there. All right, let's go.
Now we're going back to Island Waters.
And this is the really only main road, and by the time you get down here to the municipality building, city hall, whatever you want to call it, you make a left turn and it's a straight ride from there.
There's a lot of humps here.
Yeah, there's a lot of humps.
Right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of humpy dumpy.
Yes, it is. That's one thing they put in here. A lot of humps, speed bumps. But that's too...
Oh, maybe.
Oh, that was close. All right. But that's to protect the walkers, dogs, children. Can't get up to speed very much here. But it's protection for everybody. What?
It's a season for mango. Indian mango. We call it Indian mango.
Oh yeah. That's coming into season, and that's one fruit they have a lot of here in Philippines. Last year we took a ride to Zambales, and they must have some big plantation of mangoes there, and it was cheap. I mean, like 2, 3, 4 pounds for a couple of dollars or less. It's unbelievable. All right, so it's a straight ride, guys. No big deal. The ride takes you through some of the resorts.
Morong Star, Blue Valley.
And we're almost there.
And then we have Maribel Beach Resort.
Yep. They paved this road and they quit paving just before we got to Island Waters.
Yeah. And Modra Beach. Do you know what Modra is?
No.
Modra is mother. This one is Martina Beach Resort. It's a nice one. And this is the Parramatta. Parramatta?
Something like that.
Yeah, I think it's Parramatta Beach. Then the other one is La Fresa Gold Hotel Beach Resort. So we're here now in Island Waters. Here. We're here already.
Alright guys, that was a short little ride from Morong into Island Waters Resort. Now you know how to get here. And I'm going to take a minute or two and just show you around on the facilities, show you the rooms and restaurant and the areas and the views outside and the back. And we go from there, so keep watching. Alright guys, this is Island Waters from an overhead view. Was provided a little drone footage, and gonna take you through a little tour through the actual resort so you can see what's there. It's well worth visiting. And here's a little quick look over the pool and the ocean. And here is the first room, a family room. They say it sleeps 3 to 6 packs. They have 2 of those rooms on the property, and they are equipped with television, internet, and a small refrigerator. The bathrooms are tiled, very nice. They're clean. Each bathroom has a heater in it.
Yeah, that's good.
And it's good, you know, and it's kept very clean. It's tile on the walls, tile on the floors, and it is nice and clean. Each room also has a television, big screen.
And they have a small refrigerator.
Small refrigerators, and what else do they got? Air conditioning is obvious, right there on the wall. You know, refrigerator and everything. All right, so here we are in a deluxe room. The deluxe rooms has 2 beds, sleeps 2 to 4 people. The number of rooms on the property that are considered deluxe rooms are 14 rooms, all with balconies facing the ocean and overlooking the pool. Same setup there with air conditioning, refrigerator, and here you see the view of the pool. This room in particular are to the far left of the building looking towards the ocean. So it has a little bit of stop there from the restaurant building that you see right ahead of you. But all the other room has a clear view of the area. All right, so now we're up in the other building. This is on top of the restaurant, actually. This building has 3 what they call super family room. Has 5 beds in there and sleeps 5 to 10 people. This room has, you know, when you're coming into it, it's overlooking the pool.
Yeah.
This room doesn't have like a private balcony, but it is again a big screen, refrigerators.
You have 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, yeah. I think we're coming up with some footage on that. There's my wife having a little fun. So yeah, we're coming up on that here in a second. I'll show you that. Around the corner there we got the air conditioner, so we have that. These rooms are facing the ocean. You see the windows here in front of the beds are actually facing the ocean. So if you look at a window, and I think I'm going to give you a sample of that, you have a look at the ocean. So let's talk about the bathroom. One is a full bath. I wouldn't say full bath. There's no bathtub, but it's a shower. And same style, same tile floors. It has a toilet and a sink. Then you have, because of the number of people in the room, they've also inserted an extra toilet. You know, when you're 10 people there and need to use the bathroom, it can be pretty intense, I would say. The pool is have a shallow end and a deep end, right?
Yeah. For kids and for adults.
Yeah. All right. We'll take another 360 here. The building you see right there in front of you is the restaurant and the super family rooms upstairs, and they are facing, the entrance to the rooms are facing the pool area.
On this area also in the right side, That's the free cooking. If you buy food outside, you're allowed to cook.
All right,
On
yeah,
that area.
that's right. They have a cooking area there that they are allowing people to cook
Their food.
barbecue or
Yeah.
whatever they want to do. But anyway, here's a view from the actual pool. We're standing right at the pool. You can see it right there, and showing off the beautiful beaches of Morong.
Yeah.
Great looking beaches. Again, I think I said it before, but I'll say it again. One of the cleaner beaches I've been on. I haven't seen a whole lot of garbage thrown. Went to Zambales a couple of months ago.
Yeah, and their beach is so dirty.
It was just like garbage galore everywhere. And
Yeah, it's because of the people
yeah, here you can see the divide in the center of the pool there. So on this side closest to the camera is the shallow end for children. I think it's like 2 feet.
Yeah, 2 feet.
2 feet deep, like 25-30 centimeters or something like that. And here's the restaurant, and we're all set for a little brunch with Brian and Luke. And we had a good day. We just came back from the market and gonna feast on some good food. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.